Namaste beloved friends. Today in this video we are going to learn about a beautiful technique. The name of the technique is breath of fire. So this is a kind of meditation, the moving meditation. In this we are going to go through some different stages of the breathing. So the breathing of it's a totally abdominal breathing, the breath of fire, and I will tell you how you can practice it. For the breath of fire, you just gently open your tongue and flapping the abdomen like the dog breath. Putting the hand on your abdomen and flapping the abdomen in and out. Inhale, exhale from the abdomen. Now same practice we do without opening the mouth, with the closed mouth. So this is the breath of fire, the continuous flapping of the abdomen. This breath of fire will give you the immunity, it will boost your energy, it will destroy any mental problem if you are facing, and it will give you the physical and mental strength. So we are going to do this breath of fire in some different posture. The first posture is just putting the hand down on your this folding the legs, or you are sitting on the chair also you can practice it by putting the hands on your knees like this down, or you can put the hands here, one hand over the another hand. So we practice the breath of fire in this posture. Then I will say change the posture. Then the posture is like this. You are taking the hands in line with the shoulder, and here we do the breath of fire. Then changing the hand above, like the thumbs are touching inside and the thumb is pointing upward, and the hands are complete 60 degree, not moving down or up. It's 60 degree like this ankle. And then the other stage is we are closing the hand in the namaskar mudra and then again down. So this process we will do, we will repeat this continuous process 3 times. By closing the eyes we start the practice. So are you ready? So let's start with me. So breath of fire, we will just try to synchronize our breath by doing the dog breathing. So close your eyes, putting the hand on your abdomen and start with the tongue out. Very good. Now we can start the breath of fire. Start. Gentle smile on the face. The whole body is relaxed, just flapping the abdomen. Continuous in and out, in out, in out, in out. Now change, bring the hands in line with the shoulder, start. The third stage, the 60 degree of the hands. Come into the namaskar mudra. The moving meditation we are doing with the breath of fire. And gently relax. Stop the breathing. Inhale and hold the breath inside. Release. Get ready for the second round. Start. No tension in the body, whole body is relaxed. Faster movement of the abdomen only. Change the second stage. Feeling the breath, the power of the breath. Change the third stage, 60-degree. Feel the power of the breath in your whole body. With a relaxed way, breathing in out, in out, in out completely. Fourth stage, Namaskar Mudra. Continue the breath of fire. And drop the hands down. Inhale and hold the breath. Hold all the positivity. Hold all the love. And in holding, relax each and every part of the body. Gentle smile on the face. And exhale out all the tension, all the stress, all the worries. Get ready for the final round. Start the breath of fire. More rapid round now. Without making face. Just flapping the abdomen. Change the second stage. Change the third stage, 60-degree ankle. The thumb are upward, facing up. Fourth stage, Namaskar Mudra. Gently drop the hands down. Inhale and hold the breath inside. Hold as long as you can. With a relaxed face, relax the chest. Each and every part of the body is relaxed, only holding the breath inside. Hold. Feel the energy inside your body after the breath of fire. And when you feel like, exhale. And be there for few more minutes. Just bring your attention inside. Bring your attention inside the body. Feel the activation of energy in your spine. Maybe you are feeling any kind of sensation, the tingling sensation, the pulsating sensation, some pain or some pleasure maybe you are feeling. Whatever you are feeling, it's normal, it's natural. So don't try to bring the mind in between. Just be there, watch whatever going on inside, the activation of energy. Bring your awareness to your breathing. Feel your breathing, the natural and normal breathing, how you are inhaling and how you are exhaling. Just be aware of the breathing without any change. Just feeling the breath. The moving meditation with the movement, breathing and the focus. Gentle smile on the face. And noticing the breath, how the breath is moving up, down. The body is relaxed after this beautiful practice of breath of fire. Generating the energy, the healing energy, the energy of breath is working inside you. And if you feel like, you can meditate for 10-15 minutes, or if you like, you can open your eyes gently, or you can just rub your palms, gentle massage your face, your head, your neck, throat, and with the smile open your eyes. So this was the practice of breath of fire. Beautiful practice, amazing and powerful. You can do this in the morning after emptying your stomach, or in the evening after having food. So your stomach should be empty, and the women in the menstruation or pregnancy, they should not practice this. And you can practice and try by yourself. You will feel this energy, the breath, the power of this breath in your entire system, and you will feel the healing energy in your hand, in your, it's kind of vibration in your hand after practicing this technique. So this is the small technique you can implement in your day-to-day activities, in your day-to-day practices. And thank you for watching me. Be happy, be healthy, and spread the love and the beauty all around. See you soon in the next video. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye.